What is going on YouTube? Alright, so bought some new stuff. Bought a microphone. Talk about that in a second. Bought myself a drone. It's actually over here. I've already pulled it out of the box. It is the DJI Mavic Pro. A lot of people would have, if you know anything about drones, you probably know about this drone. It's pretty good. She folds out. Records in 4K. About 30 frames a second. You probably don't care about that. Battery comes off like this. You charge it up so you can run multiple batteries with this thing. You don't have to plug the drone in to charge. They're probably all like that. I don't know. So what I'm doing over here is I got my GoPro. I can't find any other use for the GoPro Hero 5. So I bought myself one of these $80 leads so I can plug in this Rode microphone here, which is the one I'm using on top of this camera, and that is the Video Micro. I don't know, it seems to be pretty good. But I hook that up in the car, windscreen mount it off the window. I'm gonna have the GoPro up here. I've got a second one of these coming so I can mount the microphone beside it. So then when we do not stock videos, we can have some interior sort of, I don't know, sort of like a reaction when we're climbing up hills and that, and we'll have a bit of a commentary because it's a pretty decent microphone. But the drone is going to be used lots. This thing's going to be used lots. I've already crashed it once because I'm a bit of a rough cunt. So there's if you can see here, there's a bit of a scratch along here. What happened is it actually disconnected from your phone, which is caused by the stupid leads that they give you that plug into the controller. So they give you this controller and they've got a little port on the side here. So when you open this out, you've got your phone lead that runs from there down into your phone. But their leads are rubbish, so they've got a USB port on the bottom. So you just plug your phone charger into there, straight into the phone. And I haven't had a disconnect yet. It's pretty scary when it disconnects, but alright, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and there'll be a lot more drone footage coming.
Cans on cool and the needle on full in a countryside. Yeah, hot little playlist of your favorite songs. When I get you climbing up in the cab of this truck, yeah, you know it's on, Show you a side of these two.